Dear students, I would like to speak with you about projections. The projection of a point on a straight line. In the opposite figure, L is a straight line. The 2 points E and B aren't belonging to the straight line L. Draw from E the ray E dash perpendicular to L to cut L at A dash. Then draw from B the ray B dash perpendicular to L to cut L at B dash. The point E dash is the position of the perpendicular segment drawn from E to the straight line L, and it is called the projection of the point E on the straight line L. Also, the point B dash is the position of the perpendicular segment drawn from B to the straight line L, and it is called the projection of the point B on the straight line L. Special keys: if the point C belongs to L, then its perpendicular projection on the straight line L is the same point C. Generally, the projection of a point on a straight line is the point of intersection of the perpendicular segment from this point to the straight line. If the point lies on the straight line, its projection on it is the same point. In the opposite figure, the point E dash is the projection of the point E on the straight line BC. The projection of a line segment on a straight line. In the opposite figure, line segment EB is a given line segment. L is a given straight line in the same plane. Through our study of the projection of a point on a straight line, we can get the projection of the point E on the straight line L to be A dash. Also, we can get the projection of the point B on the straight line L to be B dash. Similarly, we can get the projection of any point belonging to line segment EB on the straight line L. Then we will find that this projection belongs to line segment E dash B dash. For example, if the point C belongs to line segment EB, then C dash, the projection of C on L, belongs to line segment E dash B dash. And if the point D belongs to line segment EB, then D dash, the projection of D on L, belongs to line segment E dash B dash, and so on. Therefore, the line segment E dash B dash is a projection of line segment EB on the straight line L. Generally, the projection of a line segment on a given straight line is the line segment whose two endpoints are the projections of the two endpoints of the mean line segment on this straight line. Dear student, look at the shape and notice how to obtain the projection of the line segment. Concentrate well to be ready for solving the next problems. From the table, we notice that the length of the projection of a line segment on a given straight line smaller than or equal the length of the line segment. Number 3. The projection of a ray on a straight line. In the opposite figure, ray EB is a given ray. L is a given straight line in the same plane. If A dash is the projection of E on the straight line L, B dash is the projection of B on the straight line L, then the ray E dash B dash is the projection of the ray AB on the straight line L. if D belongs to the ray EB and D doesn't belong to the line segment EB, if D dash is a projection of D on the straight line L, then D dash belong to ray A dash B dash, and D dash doesn't belong to line segment A dash B dash. Generally, the projection of a ray on a straight line not perpendicular to it is a ray subset of this straight line. In the opposite figure, if ray AB perpendicular to the straight line L, then the projection of ray AB on the straight line L is the point C. Generally, the projection of a ray on a straight line perpendicular to it is a point belonging to the straight line. The projection of a straight line on another straight line in the opposite figure. The projection of straight line EB on the straight line L is a straight line E dash B dash, which is the straight line L itself. Generally, the projection of a straight line on another straight line not perpendicular to it is that another straight line. In the opposite figure, if straight line EB perpendicular to the straight line L, then the projection of straight line EB on the straight line L is the point C. Generally, the projection of a straight line on another straight line perpendicular to it is the point of intersection of the two straight lines. Dear students, concentrate on this figure and complete the sentences according to your understanding of the previous ideas. Concentrate well, please. In the opposite figure, line segment BD intersection line segment AE equal C. Measure of angle B equal measure of angle D equal 90 degrees. EB equal 6 cm. EC equal 10 cm. And DE equal 3 cm. Find the length of the projection of line segment AE on straight line BD. Since line segment EB perpendicular to straight line BD, therefore B is a projection of E on straight line BD. Since line segment ED perpendicular to straight line BD, therefore D is a projection of E on a straight line BD. Therefore, line segment BD is a projection of line segment EE on the straight line BD. Since triangle EBC is right angled at B, therefore BC square equal EC square minus EB square equal 10 square minus 6 square equal 64, Pythagoras theorem. Therefore BC equal 8 cm. Since in two triangle EBC and EDC, measure of angle B equal measure of angle D equal 90 degree, and measure of angle ECB equal measure of angle ECD. Therefore, measure of angle A equal measure of angle E. Therefore, triangle EBC similar to triangle EDC, and we deduce that EB over ED equal BC over DC equal EC over EC. Therefore, 6 over 3 equal 8 over DC equal 10 over EC. Therefore, DC equal 3 times 8 over 6 equal 4 cm. Therefore, BD equal BC plus DC equal 8 plus 4 equal 12 cm. Therefore, The length of the projection of line segment AE on straight line BD equal 12 centimeter. In the opposite figure, EBC is a triangle in which EB equal BC equal 5 centimeter, EC equal 8 centimeter, ray ED perpendicular to ray CB and line segment BE perpendicular to line segment EC. Complete the following. The projection of line segment EB on a straight line BC is what? The length of the projection of line segment EB on a straight line EC equal what? The projection of line segment EB on a straight line ED congruent to the projection of what on a straight line ED? The length of the projection of line segment BE on a straight line EC equal what? The area of triangle EBC equal what? Dear students, best wishes from me for all of you and thank you very much. Goodbye.